So DEFG is a rectangle. Why don't we sketch it? It's always a good idea to sketch it. DEFG. Yeah. And DF, one of the diagonals, is 5x minus 3. And EG, one of the other diagonals, is x plus 5. And what do we know about the diagonals of a rectangle? We know that they're equal to each other. They're congruent in length. So 5x minus 3 equals x plus 5. One part of our answer is x equals 2, and the other part of our answer is going to be plugging it back in to both of them just to make sure that we get the same value. Okay, so 5x minus 3 equals x plus 5, and then we could say 5 parentheses minus 3 equals parentheses plus 5, and what did we say x is? X is 2. So let's simplify that out. 10 minus 3 equals 2 plus 5, or 7 equals 7, which means we could write it as EG equals 7 and DF equals 7. They're the same, of course, but we want to name them both because it asks for the length of each.